The 10-in-1 nut milk maker is a versatile appliance that can handle a variety of tasks, including making nut milk, oat milk, and even soups, all within its generous 40-ounce capacity. With a delay start feature that allows you to set the preparation time up to 12 hours in advance, this machine ensures your drinks are ready exactly when you want them. The powerful 800-watt motor and 10 durable stainless steel blades crush through ingredients with ease, providing smooth and fine-textured beverages every time. A self-cleaning function makes maintenance a breeze, as the stainless steel interior quickly removes any leftover residue after use. The package includes thoughtful accessories such as a recipe book, measuring cup, and cleaning brush, ensuring you have everything needed to make delicious drinks right away. Its sleek design not only looks great on any countertop, but also offers user-friendly features that make creating homemade drinks both quick and enjoyable.